is on Lorraine's time. We teach at the same university, China Foreign Affairs University.
Yeah.
Name.
What, my name? Matt, Batchi. So we teach at the same university as the Chamberlains. And really, as we came in, we saw these hearts. We didn't know what she did. We saw these hearts, and the cleaning ladies were just all abuzz. Just how so fun it was. And the students looked up and they went up and looked at it. They were all abuzz with it. So it was just a really wonderful idea. And they do stay up all year round. It's my turn. So, so some of you might not know exactly what China Foreign Affairs University is. It's a little bit different. It's the only university that's under the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, as opposed to your university, which is under the Ministry of Education. So it's a little bit smaller. It's really much like a large high school that you might have experienced in the States. And because of the foreign affairs structure, my sense is that our students have a little bit higher English language skills than maybe many of yours have, because they need to either have done very well on the exam and in the English study, or be recommended by their high school in order to come to that university. So that's my sense for them. However, their English spoken abilities are just almost sometimes terrible. They have great written and they have great reading skills, because that's what they do on their tests in order to get exam, to get passed into the, but they have developed these terrible pronunciation habits, mainly from Chinese teachers who have terrible pronunciation habits. And so I just ratcheted down our lessons. And it was really interesting because I did a mid-year survey in order to do my mid-year correction to the internal change principle concept. But what I got back from them is when I explained how to form their mouth in order to pronounce a word or a sound, that had the most impact on them. Do you know that most of them cannot do this? So those with experience can't do that. So I had to go up to each individual person and say, open your teeth just a little bit and blow a little harder, and you can get my name, Matthew, out so that you can pass this exam, because they had to pass my name in order to pass my test.